This is what happens to your body when you walk 10, 20, and 60 minutes. Did you know that walking is one of the world's most powerful medicines? In our modern world, we're surrounded by conveniences that have slowly robbed us of one of our most natural healing activities. We drive instead of walk, we elevator instead of climb, and we sit instead of move. The result? We're taking fewer steps each day, and our health is paying the price. But here's the good news. Walking is a miracle cure that's always within reach. Every step you take triggers amazing chemical changes in your body. Once you understand these benefits, you'll never look at walking the same way again. The best part? Walking opportunities are everywhere. Take a walk to the grocery store instead of driving. Walk to lunch. Take the stairs. Park further away. Small choices that lead to big results. Today, we're diving deep into what happens to your body when you walk for 5, 30, or even 60 minutes. Ready to discover how this simple activity can transform your health? Let's go. What happens to your body when you walk? Your body wakes up. The moment you step outside, your body begins releasing energy-boosting chemicals. Your heart rate jumps from 70 to 100 beats per minute, warming up your muscles and increasing blood flow. Joint stiffness melts away as your body produces natural lubricating fluid. You'll start burning 4 to 5 calories per minute as your body taps into fat and carbohydrate stores for fuel. Your heart rate climbs to 100 to 140 BPM, and calorie burn increases to 6 per minute. Blood pressure may rise slightly, but your body counters this by releasing chemicals that expand blood vessels, delivering more oxygen and nutrients to working muscles. This is where your cardiovascular system starts building resilience for long-term heart health. Your body temperature rises as you start to sweat, and blood vessels near your skin expand to release heat. Breathing deepens, and you're now burning up to 7 calories per minute. 2 key hormones surge: epinephrine, natural adrenaline that helps with asthma and allergic reactions, and glucagon, which fuels your muscles. The best part? You get this medicine for free. This is where the magic really happens. Your brain releases endorphins, your body's natural mood elevators. Tension melts away, and you enter a state of natural relaxation. Insulin levels drop significantly, making this the perfect time for fat burning. If weight loss is your goal, this is when your body shifts into fat-burning mode. Peak benefits. You're now maximizing all previous benefits while unlocking new ones. Enhanced blood circulation, maximum calorie burn, improved oxygenation, strengthened immune system, increased vitamin D production thanks to sunlight, natural stress relief. Studies show that a 45 to 60-minute walk can be as effective as antidepressants for reducing stress and anxiety. The bottom line, walking isn't just exercise, it's medicine, meditation, and movement all in one. Whether it's 10 minutes or an hour, every step counts toward better health, more energy, and a better mood. Your challenge? Make walking a non-negotiable part of your daily routine. Your future self will thank you. So what are you waiting for? Lace up those shoes and start walking your way to better health today. Happy walking!